Audio and sound effects in this video were created using audio.com. Use the link in the description to get 10% off.
So this is the Nikon Touch Zoom 70 WSAF. And let's take a closer look at the camera. It is a very, very compact camera. There are some features on it, and we'll go through all of that. But first of all, it looks really nice. Very nice looking camera. In terms of batteries, this one takes one of these. So this is a CR123A battery. It's readily available. Cost is somewhere between 5 to 15 Canadian dollars. So there's that, and it just goes right here. And then to turn it on, you just simply slide this over, and boom, there we go. So this is what the front looks like. The flash will always be popped out when it's turned on, so that might be annoying. Just depends on how you look at it. And this is that. This is the top here, and we'll go through the features in just a second. The back, the side, and the bottom here. And if we open it up, this is the inside. Very nice and compact. Let's go through the features. All right, so E means it's empty. You've got the shutter button up here. You've got the zoom in, zoom out button. Here you have, if you press this, is the landscape button. So basically what that will do, it will lower the aperture to, not really sure if it's f8 or what it is, but basically everything will be in focus. Then you've got the turn off flash and then turn on. You've got night portraiture photography, and then that's that. And then here you have self timer. Sorry, this is a red eye removal, self timer, and that's that. And this is if you want to rewind the film before it's empty. So there's that, and that's basically it. So let's just load the film. To load the film, simply put this here. Let's do it this way, and then just go all the way here. There you go. And there you go, and you're ready to go. And that's that. So now let's take a look at some photos.